Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today, we're discussing two areas of interest in the Eastern Pacific, which could be the second and third named storm of the season, which would be pretty active start, which you usually see this kind of active start at this time of year. So I'll do disturbance one first, guys. Disturbance number one. As of 5 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, uh, Friday, June 6, 2025, south of the southern Mexico, showers of thunderstorms have increased a little on the eastern side of a broad trough of low pressure, located a couple of hundred miles south of the of southern Mexico. Environmental conditions appear conducive for additional development, and a short-lived tropical depression is likely to form over the next weekend, while the system moves generally west-northwest just off the coast of Mexico. Interests in southern and southwestern Mexico should monitor the progress of the system. Formation chance is 50 to the next 2 days, and to the next 7 days is a 70% chance. And then disturbance number 2, which is this one, they're giving it as of 5 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, June 6, 2025. Offshore of the southern Mexico, a broad area of low pressure has formed along the western side of an elongated trough. South of Mexico, continued gradual development of this system is expected, and a tropical depression is likely to form over the weekend or early next week, while the system moves generally west-northwestward, and they're given that a 50% chance in the next 48 hours, which is in 2 days. Formation chance is 80% in the next 7 days. So technically, this is what it looks like. This is satellite imagery of what they look like. I mean, they're both looking good right now. Not invested at the moment. This one's got more convection around the storm. This one doesn't really have any much convection around the storm. But I will show you the model ones quickly, guys. Right, I'm on tropical tidbits right now, guys. And obviously, we do have Invest 92W and Invest 93W, but they're not really that important at the moment. Invest 93W is going to be a powerful storm in the next couple of days. But I don't think that's not what we're going to talk about at the moment. But I'm going to show you the Eastern Pacific. There we go. So this is the East Pac right now. And you see that storm becoming a hurricane, actually. Which Alvin didn't manage to do it. So this storm, they want it to become a hurricane. And then the second one doesn't form until actually gets over here off the coast of Mexico. Because if you watch this area of interest here, watch this one, it looks like that moves into the Atlantic. If you keep an eye on it. Which is interesting. By the way, talking about the Atlantic, let's have a look at the North Atlantic then, shall we? Because I think the North Atlantic will, be active again soon. I think the Atlantic will have their first name storm soon, I think. But yeah, June is going to be very quiet though for the Atlantic, which is kind of a little bit suspicious though, because June's not usually quiet in the Atlantic. But yeah, if you play it back. One sec, let me just go into the Western Atlantic. Back onto forecast mode ones. There we go. North Atlantic. There we go. Right, start again. So you can see the high pressure system here, guys. Off towards back over here. It's a strong high pressure system. Obviously it gets stronger throughout the days. You see that area of interest in the Pacific. Now it does form a storm in the Atlantic. Like, it does form like a very weak storm in the Atlantic, like 998 millibar storm, like a 40-mile-an-hour storm, and then it got that. Then the remnants move into the Eastern Pacific, which one fights back, and then the new remnant area becomes prominent, and then they want it to become 997, another storm forming in the Atlantic. It's the same one or a different storm, 997 in the Gulf of Carpentaria. No, not in the Gulf of Carpentaria, in the Bay of Campeche, shall I say, and becomes a tropical storm. And then nothing really else is on the cards after that, guys. So yeah, anyway guys, so good to like, comment, subscribe, share, see you all in the next video. Peace and have a great day.